Presentation on leadership, classification of leaders, methods of identification of leaders. Leader, person who leads or commands a group or organization or country. Leadership, art of motivating a group of people to act towards achieving common goal. Types of leaders: autocratic, democratic, laissez faire, professional, lay or opinion leader. Opinion leader. An opinion leader is a well known individual or organization that has the ability to influence the people opinion of on the subject matter for which opinion leader is known. Opinion leaders can be politician, business leader, community leader, journalist, educator, celebrities or sports stars. Opinion leadership. It is a degree to which an individual is able to informally influence others' knowledge, attitude, or overt behavior in a desired way with relative frequency. Types of opinion leadership. Monomorphic leadership, a type of leadership in communication and media that leads to the spread of information concerning one particular highly specialized topic rather than a broadly based set of information. This can be a very narrow point of view and can lead to making decisions based on lack of full information. Monomorphism is the degree to which an individual acts as an opinion leader for only a single topic. Monomorphic leader, a person that is an opinion leader in one field may be a follower in another field. Polymorphic leadership, a type of leadership in communication and media that leads to the spread of information concerning broadly based set of information. Opposite of monomorphic opinion leadership. Polymorphism is the degree to which an individual acts as an opinion leader for variety of topics. Polymorphic opinion leaders are able to influence others in a broad range of domains. Characteristic of opinion leader in contrast with their followers: more technically competent, more socially accessible, more cosmopolitan, more innovative, higher media exposure, higher social status, more conformist with social norms and values. Methods for identifying opinion leaders. Sociometric methods. Members of the social system are asked to name the persons to whom they go for advice and information on particular topic. However, the use of these methods requires a large number of respondents and complex statistical analysis. Example: let's consider an arbitrary group of 12 members. Each members were asked to name two persons in the group to whom they would usually interact. The respondent can give one, two, or no answers. The details of the choosers and choosers are given below. Choosers, chosen. Sociometric. SOCIOGRAM. Sociometric indices. Choice status. The value of the choice status is the direct index of an individual's popularity in the group. This is also known as sociometric status index. CS equal to number of choices a person received divided by total number of persons in the group into 100. Group cohesiveness. The cohesiveness of a group to the degree to which its members are attracted to the group, are motivated to remain in the group, and mutually influence one another. Members of the cohesive group are more energetic in group activities, are likely to be absent from group meeting, and are happy when the group succeeds and sad when it fails. Whereas members of less cohesive groups are less concerned about the group's activities. Emotional expansiveness, the ability of one person to form emotional network. In sociometry, emotional expansiveness of a group is determined by the amount of utilization of available choices expressed in percentages. Emotional expressiveness equal to number of choice made divided by total number of possible choices in 100. Information ratings. Some members of a social system are purposefully or randomly selected and asked to designated person giving advice and information on a general or particular topic. This method is economical and quick as it saves cost and time. However, it is limited to extend each informant to thoroughly familiar with the social system. Self-designating method. Each selected person is asked a series of questions designed to determine the degree to which he perceives himself to be an opinion leader. It also ensures the individual's perception of his being an opinion leader. However, its accuracy is limited to the extent the respondent can identify and report their self image correctly. Role of opinion leaders. Diffusion of the new technology to other villages. Channel of contact with the scientists, other institutions, media, and sources of information and the community. Assisting the villagers in securing the supplies and services required by them, guiding and helping the people in getting assistance from government, helping the fellow villagers in the perception preparation of the action plans, giving constant guidance and acting as a local consultant, highlighting the problems of villagers and helping the extension workers, serving as the demonstrator in the case of agriculture innovations, coordinating the functions of the villages, organization, and the institutions and channelizing them towards the adaptation of technologies for greater production. Following references. Thank you.